Albert has continued to focus on making money management easier through a mobile app experience, and repeat users usually notice changes based on how often they use its features and how well it fits their routine. After using Albert more than once or returning to the app over time, the biggest things to evaluate are what feels different, what still works the same, and whether the app provides enough value for your financial habits. The first change repeat users usually notice is the overall experience. When you already know how an app works, small updates to navigation, features, or the way information is displayed can make the biggest difference. A financial app is not only about downloading it once. The value comes from how easily you can check information, understand your finances, and use the tools available when you need them. The second area to look at is feature usefulness. Returning users should focus on the tools they actually use instead of judging the app only by what it offers. A feature that saves time or makes money management simpler has more value than a feature you never open. Another thing repeat users should compare is whether the app still matches their current situation. Financial needs change over time, so an app that worked well before may feel different depending on your goals now. The best way to review changes in Albert is to compare your current experience with your first time using it. Check whether the app feels easier to navigate, whether the features are still useful, and whether it supports the way you manage money. You should also review your own usage. If your habits changed but your app usage stayed the same, the issue may not be the app itself. It may simply mean your financial routine has changed. A repeat user experience review comes down to three things: usability, useful features, and personal value. Updates only matter if they improve the way you actually manage your money. Before deciding whether to keep using Albert, spend a few minutes reviewing the features you use most, and whether they still help with your current goals. If this review helped you understand what to check as a returning user, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.